Okay. Good morning to one and all. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed regarding one system which include the data acquisition system, different types of actuator, or it may be different types of controlling devices. Okay. So, related to that, we have already discussed. We will just overlook on that point, and then we will discuss regarding one example how this system it will be work. Okay, see, in that suppose we have consider any one of the object and there are number of sensor it can be used, right? Number of sensor it can be used to perform the function. So there are sensor, 5 sensor are used: sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so how the sensor it can be connected 2, 3 and 4? How it is connected? There are two types of location, as I have already told. One location is nothing but extrinsic location, one location it is nothing but intrinsic location. What is mean by intrinsic? What is mean by extrinsic? Intrinsic location means where it can be connected. Yes, anyone? Extrinsic location. Location of the sensor, again two types, that is extrinsic and intrinsic. So extrinsic is nothing but which is used to sense the stimulus, or it may be object, okay, or it may be condition of that material or a property of that material. So on the external side, that means it will be situated or located at the input side. As I have told you already, it is at the input side. So it will sense the object condition, then that stimulus condition property, as well as that material state, right? Now there are some sensor it can be used on the object or it is inserted in the object. So sensor 2, 3 and 4 are inserted on the object. It will sense the property, condition or the state of that object, and its output it will be provided to the multiplexer. Similarly, the sensor 1, it will be sense that object condition, but this sensor it is an not in contact with object, right? So we can call it as a non-contact type sensor. Again, there is a energy transfer between sensor and object to sensor. There is a energy transfer, then and then only it will sense. Now sensor 5, it is nothing but it is intrinsic type of intrinsic type of location. It can be used as an intrinsic type of location. What is mean by intrinsic? Yes, connected. Connected कनेक्टेड असल्यावर का नसल्यावर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Where it is connected? All sensor are connected to multiplexer, no? 2, 3 and 4 are in the object or it may be on the object. It is inserted on the object. That means it is in contact with object. Similarly, sensor 1, it is in non-contact with that object. What about function of sensor 5? Whole object, where it is object? System, right? So that means this sensor 5, it is used to sense the own condition of that system or to check the condition of that system. That means it is internal, त्या सिस्टीमची इंटरनल जी काही कंडिशन आहे ती सेन्स करण्यासाठी सेन्सर यूज केलेला आहे, सेन्सर नंबर 5. सो इट इज नथिंग बट इंट्रिन्सिक. दॅट मीन्स द इंट्रिन्सिक टाइप ऑफ लोकेशन. In that the sensor it is used to sense the own condition or to check the own condition of that system. Larger system ची जी काही own condition आहे ती चेक करण्यासाठी सेन्सर यूज केलेला आहे. सो इट इज इंट्रिन्सिक लोकेशन. एक्सट्रिन्सिक इज नथिंग बट आउटसाइड ऑफ दॅट सिस्टीमच्या आउटसाइडला जे काही ऑब्जेक्ट सेन्स करणार आहे तुम्ही, or any one of the condition you are sensing, any one of the property of that material you are sensing. So it is nothing but extrinsic, right? Now signal obtained from the sensor, it is fed to where? Kude fed kelle? Multiplexer. What is the function of multiplexer? Multiplexer, here we can connect multiple input, right? And output obtain only one. So it is multiplexer. What is demultiplexer? So that means in this system, this multiplexer, it will be act as a one type of switch, or it is nothing but one type of gate, right? So that means it will sense the multiple input and it will fed a single output to that of analog to digital converter, or it may be computer, right? So at a time only one output or only one signal it can be fed to analog to digital system, or it may be analog to digital converter, or if the data it is in the digital format, so it can be directly connected to computer, Again, the sensor 2, sensor 4 and the sensor 5 are directly connected to multiplexer, and 1 and 3 there are some device it can be connected. Why? Yes, tell anyone. Right. So signal, output signal obtained from the sensor, if it is not in proper format, okay, so to make it into proper format we want to use some of the interface circuitry, or it may be electronic circuit, so that sensor 1 and 3 there are interface circuit it can be used, and 2, 4 and 5 it is directly connected to multiplexer. That means output signal obtained from that sensor, it is in proper format, right? It is in proper format. Again, in case of sensor 4 there is one excitation circuit it can use. Why? Okay, to sense or to enable its operation we require some extra energy, or it may be one external source, that is excitation source, whether it may be excitation of voltage source, excitation of current source, or it may be a excitation of any other source, right? So that excitation it can be required to that of sensor number 4. Now multiplexer it will be fed only one output or only one signal to that of analog to digital converter. Analog to digital converter it will convert it into digital format, and it can be fed to that of computer, okay, computer, or we can call it as a microcontroller. Now this microcontroller or the computer it will be works on that signal obtained from the sensor or the signal obtained from the multiplexer, and it will be fed signal to that of peripheral devices. At the same time it will be fed signal to the top actuator via object, or via object through actuator. That means to do immediate action. So it is the function of that data acquisition system and the control devices, right? Yes, which one? direct connector. Again, there is some data transfer between multiplexer to computer, computer to multiplexer. Direct line, it will be also indicate if the output obtained from the multiplexer, it is in digital format. Whether there is a requirement of analog to digital converter? No, directly fed to the computer, like that. So that two lines are shown. One, if the analog signal is there, then there is analog to digital controller converter, it can be used. If the output it is in the direct digital format, then it can be directly fed to the computer. Again, this large system, it will include some other devices, but this device is not shown in this diagram, block diagram. So like some filter circuit is there, some of the other circuitry, that is electronic circuitry, filter, data recorder, data storage, like that. Some different component it can be used on that system, that control system or the large system, right? So what is meant by peripheral devices? Which are the peripheral devices? Alarm system, display, it is nothing but the peripheral devices. Okay, so this is just block diagram related explanation regarding this data acquisition system and its control devices. Okay, so I think all are clear regarding that data acquisition system. I will tell one example, we will discuss regarding that example, that means you will better understand. See here, the sensor input signal or the stimuli maybe have almost any conventional physical format or stimulus, it is any kind. Okay, so some explanation is given. Or it is in the chemical in nature, if the material it is in the gaseous form, or state of material it is in the liquid form. Light flux, so some example it can be given by stimulus, it is light flux. Suppose we want to sense the light, so light flux is nothing but light radiation. Similarly, temperature, pressure, vibration, displacement, position, velocity, as well as ion concentration. So these are the some stimulus, it can be sensed by the sensor. Okay, for example, this is given. Suppose we want to use sensor for displacement application. So what is the stimulus or the input to that of sensor? Displacement of that object, right? Similarly, if we want to sense the position, so position of that object is nothing but input to that of sensor. Similarly, velocity, if we are using a sensor for measuring velocity, then velocity it is nothing but one type of parameter. Stimulus, it is nothing but it is the parameter, it is the property of material, or it is the condition of that object. So this is nothing but stimulus. Some sensor are specially designed, so apart from that sensor, some sensor are specially designed to be very selective a particular range of input stimuli. Okay, some sensor it can be used or it is specially designed for a selective purpose. So particular range of input stimuli to be quite immune to the signal outside of the desirable limit. Okay, so beyond that limit it will not sense. Suppose if you are considering infrared sensor, or for example, if you are considering a path follow robot, if there is a maximum distance between that robot sensor and path, whether it will be sensed? No, so that's there is some of the limit, either it may be range limit, either it may be distance limit. Okay, now large system that may incorporate many other equipment like detector, whichever not shown in that diagram, like detector, some signal conditioner is there, some of the signal processor is there, then memory devices, data recorder, and multiple actuator, right? Multiple actuator. So these are the different devices which include in that large control system, and there are number of sensor as well as number of actuator is there, right? Now see, we will see the example of that to illustrate how this system it will be works. Let us consider one example, that is car door monitoring system, right? One example of large system, in that your car door monitoring system. So this is one example of how this will be sensed or how the sensor it will be work. Do you know that every door of the car, it can be supplied with sensor, right? We want to understood one example, that is car door monitoring system. In car door monitoring system, each and every door of the car, suppose there are 4 door, 5 door, or it may be number of door. So each and every door, it can be supplied with that of sensor. What will detect that sensor? Sky detect करेल. That means it will detect the position of door, whether it can be open or it may be closed, right? So number of sensor are there. Suppose there are 6 door, we are using 6 sensor. Each and every door, it can be supplied by sensor. This sensor, it will be detect the position of that door, whether it may be closed or it may be open. Okay, so that means in that situation, the sensor, it will be like as a one type of switch, right? Whether it is open or it may be closed, right? So signal obtained from the sensor, whether it is analog form or digital form, how it will be sensed, whether it may be open or closed. Only 2 condition. Any other condition it will be sensed? Only 2 condition. Whether door is open, give the command. Whether door is closed, give the signal. Like that. So data obtained from that sensor, it is in the digital format, right? So it will be act as a switch, so that the data, it is nothing but it is in the form of digital format. So there is a no requirement of analog to digital converter. Whether there is analog to digital converter is required? No. So that means the there is a no requirement of analog to digital converter, because door output, that is door signal output, it is in the form of digital format, like it is in the form of 1 or it is in the form of 0, right? No, it is in the digital format. So suppose we are using, if the door is closed, signal it can be obtained 1. If the door is open, signal it can be obtained as a 0, right? Only these 2 conditions are there, door open and door closed. Now see, suppose 6 sensor is there, the signal it can be fed to the top multiplexer. Multiplexer, it will provide, or it will feed that signal to the top microcontroller, or it may be computer, once at a time, right? Once at a time. That means first of all, first sensor signal, it can be fed to the top multiplexer by computer. Suppose that door is closed, that means signal obtained to the top microcontroller, it is 1, right? Right? No. Similarly, it will check second one. Second sensor output, again it is in the digital format 1. This it can be fed to the top microcontroller, or it may be computer. So computer reads that data, that means whether it is 1 or 0. If it is 1, then it will check next, like that. So we are doing program like that, no? Check that condition. If condition satisfied or yes, next. If no, follow another path, like that. So see, the processor identify which door is open. Similarly, sequentially it will check. Processor, it will be identify which door is open. That means the signal obtained from that sensor to multiplexer and multiplexer to computer, it is 0. Which door signal, it will be 0. So at that situation, this computer sends one message to the peripheral device, right? Peripheral device. So suppose in front of that driver, there is one display. So on that display, or sometimes alarm is also given, like peripheral device, or some type of indication is there. That is, this one door is open. Okay. So indication, suppose door number 4, door number 3, or it may be door number 1, it can be open. Any one door, it can be open, because the signal obtained from the sensor to the computer via multiplexer, it is 0, right? It is 0. So at that situation, it will read that signal and give some indication message to the peripheral devices. So whether the peripheral devices, it is in the form of display, or it may be audible type of alarm, or it may be some type of indication, right? Now see what will happen. The operator, or it may be driver, so peripheral device in front of that driver, right? Now this message, it will be read by the driver. So in that condition, the driver, it will be act as an actuator. आता now diagram मध्ये बघितलं असेल तुम्ही. So path from that computer to there is a object by using one of the actuator. So in that example, the driver, it will be act as an actuator. After getting signal, that is door number 4 is open, what will do the driver? Close the door. That means it will goes to the object. बरोबर ना? Function कुठे गेलं त्याचं? It will goes to the object. So we are the living organism. So driver says to another person, whoever seat in, that means nearby that door. So close that door, like that. So that means driver, it will be act as a actuator. It will send signal to that object through actuator. That means driver, it will be act as actuator, and again that person, or it may be again actuator, acts on that object. Actuator काय करेल, त्या ऑब्जेक्ट वरती ऍक्ट होईल, and it will close the door. If door it can be closed, or if the door it should be closed, then again the sensor, it gives some signal. This signal, it can be provided to the top multiplexer. Multiplexer reads that signal obtained from the sensor. If the sensor signal, it is in 1, that means door, it is closed, right? So this whole controlling system, like data acquisition system and its control equipment, by this example we have already discussed that equipment. So all over work, or all over one complete cycle, it is one complete cycle, and the cycle, it can be completed. That means your process, it can be completed. Getting? So this is simple example, that is car door monitoring system. In case of car door monitoring system, number of sensor it can be used, number of actuator it can be used, right? If there are, this is an automation system actuator. What I am telling regarding actuator, which energy it can be converted into which energy? Electrical to non-electrical. Suppose actuator, I am telling a motor, it is one type of actuator. It will convert electrical to mechanical. Suppose in case of that, instead of that driver act as an actuator, if this motor, it will be act as an actuator. जर ती मोटर actuator म्हणून ऍक्ट होत असेल, काय करेल मोटर? डोअर ओपन आहे, one actuator, it can be fed to the top door. So the motor, it will be rotate होईल ना. So त्याचं फंक्शन केलं असेल, डोअर काय होईल, क्लोज कडे मूव्ह केला असेल by using a motor. लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? By using one motor to the top door opening and closing. So similar example, window or glass of the car, it can be open or closed. So there is a actuator, no? Each and every glass, it is equipped with motor, right? So like that. That means door, it can be closed automatically. Again, signal obtained from that sensor, it will be 1. So the signal obtained from that sensor, it will be 1. So all conditions are okay, and the cycle, it can be completed, or process, it can be completed, right? So this is one example related to sensor, how it will be works. Then data obtained from that sensor, how it can be processed. So some program, it can be done, like if the signal obtained 1, check next, sequentially check next. If signal obtained from that again 1, check next. If the signal obtained from that is 0, then follow another path, like message goes to the display unit, or it may be message goes to the peripheral device like alarm, or it may be some indication, and at the same time the signal or the actuator who is acting on that object, it will be acts on that object and close that condition. Like that it will be works. Okay, so all of you getting this one example? Yes, give me reply. Hello. Hello. Okay, now see, to better understand, we will discuss regarding another one example, then you people better understand this concept related to sensor, how the large system it will be work, because there are number of sensor, number of actuator are there. So we will take another one example of complex combination of sensor and the actuator. I will show that diagram. See, this is the second example. This second example, it is nothing but complex combination of sensor and actuator. That means there are number of sensor it can be used, there are number of actuator it can be used. So the example, it is nothing but the advanced safety vehicle, which is manufactured by country Nissan. Okay, so this is the advanced safety vehicle. There are number of sensor it can be used to function a number of object, number of actuator it can be used so to act on that object. So like that means it is totally advanced safety vehicle. So in that, this advanced safety vehicle, there are number of sensor it can be used, number of actuator it can be used, number of indicating devices it can be used, like alarm asset, or it may be display unit asset, so it can be used. So this figure shows that the advanced safety vehicle which is manufactured, or it may be which is fabricated by the Nissan. So the aim of that system, what is the aim of that system? What is the aim of that system, or what is the necessity of that system by controlling or by providing number of sensor, by providing number of actuator regarding safety, right? No, safety. Okay, see, in that there are number of sensor it can be used. See, here it is sensor it can be shown like as a wheel speed sensor, number of sensor is there. Here it is central computer, then wheel speed sensor is there, rear object radar type of sensor is there, then again side airbag SRS, then collision sensor, again front object detector sensor. That means number of sensor it can be used. Okay, so in that, it is the combination of ultrasonic sensor, it is the combination of all types of sensor, like it may be a infrared sensor, IR sensor पण use केले असतील, infrared, ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor. Okay, or it may be distance sensor. So multiple sensor it can be used in that advanced safety vehicle complex large system or complex controlling system. Okay, number of sensor it can be used. Again, see here, so there are some different sensor it can be used. This sensor it will works and safety it can be provided. Our aim is that safety, right? To provide a safety to that of whoever seated on that car. So that means it is totally advanced. Somewhat, if the actuator it is again the any one of the advanced device, then there is a no need of driver also, right? No. Okay, so see, here it is, suppose which one sensor? Wheel speed sensor. Suppose your car it can be running on now 110 km/h. That means speed of your car. Okay, and again there is a front object laser radar is there. That means laser type of sensor is there. If your vehicle it is nearer to that of that means preceding vehicle or it may be first vehicle. So if we provide there some specific distance, okay, if we provide on the safety point of view, there is some specific distance, then automatically the speed of your wheel or the speed of your car, it will be reduces, right? No, it will be reduces. So see, this may include the eyeball type of sensor or eyeball movement sensor. Then in the driver head, there is some type of inclination sensor is there. Inclination sensor is there in which is fitted. So I think you people know, in our vehicle safety point of view, some people are doing project on helmet. So safety helmet, like inclination or it may be inclination of our neck, or some people are doing a neck controlled vehicle or it may be neck controlled wheelchair. Suppose any patient, handicapped patient, will you people know, so there is a handicapped wheel is there, okay. If that people, handicapped people, there is a no movement of hand, no movement of legs, so that chair, suppose there is a movement of their neck, म्हणजे मान त्याची movement, neck ची movement होत असेल, so from that moment we are doing one project also. So that means suppose we are providing like that, if the neck it can be inclined by right side, so at that situation your chair will be turned to the right side. Similarly, if neck it can be inclined to the front, that means inclined to the left side, then chair will be turned to the left side. Similarly, if your neck it can be inclined to the front side, that means chair will be moved to the front side. So it is nothing but neck control safety chair or it may be neck controlled wheelchair. Some people doing project on that also. So similarly, in that the eyeball sensor it can be used, eyeball sensor it can be used, and the number of sensor it can be used. Again, to check the inclination of the neck of the driver, there is a driver inclination detector, it can be also used. That means, do you know that if a driver it will be sleep, if driver it will be sleep, what will happen? झोप लागल्यावर काय होतं? Okay, to avoid accident, first step, that means first condition of the driver, what will happen? असं अचानक डोळे दाखला आपलं काय होतं? डुलकी, right? That means our neck will be inclined, somewhat front side, somewhat left side, somewhat, म्हणजे आपण काय करतो अशी डुलकी मारतो. So like that. So that means there is a inclination of that driver, it can be done at that situation. This, due to that inclination, there may be an accident, it will be occur. To avoid that accident, some inclination detector or it may be some inclination sensor it can be also introduced, right? Suppose I think in the train there is one equipment, you people know or don't know, I don't know, in electrical utilization, now you are studying, no? Yes. There is a, in the traction system or the train, there is a one equipment that is dead man's handle. Dead man's handle. So this dead man's handle, one equipment, always that handle it can be held by that operator or it may be that train driver. What is the function of that handle? Brake. Why it is necessary to always hold in his hand? You people will be studying it into electrical utilization. There is one equipment that is dead man's handle. So this dead man's handle, this equipment or one type of handle, while the train it is in running position, this handle it is always in the hand of that operator. So operator च्या हातामध्ये असेल. What will happen if the unfortunately that operator it will be dead? first effect, or it may be what will happen that operator it will be sleep. काय होतं पहिल्यांदा, you people having a more experience, if you are writing something in the night times and if you are sleeping, what happens, whether the pen which is in your hand, whether this pen always it is in your hand while you are sleeping, this pen it will be drop, right? No, म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण त्याचं कंट्रोलिंग ऑफ आवर बॉडी, त्या पेन वरचं जे काय कंट्रोल असेल ते ऑटोमॅटिकली रिलीज होईल. सिमिलरली इफ द ड्रायव्हर इट विल बी स्लीप अनफॉर्च्युनेटली, so handle it can be released by its hand. If the handle it can be released, the train it will be stopped. So this is the main function. That means the name is given to that handle, it is nothing but dead man's handle. Dead man's handle is nothing but always it is in its hand. If always it in its hand, that means the train is running. If the handle released by that person, unfortunately by sleeping or unfortunately by death of that person, so the handle it can be released in its hand, so train it will be stopped, right? So that means it is one type of equipment, it is on the safety point of view, okay? Or driver's handle always it is in hand, it means it is on good condition, it will be not sleeping. If it will be sleep, then handle it will be automatically released. Similarly, it is related to living organism, okay? Like there are some different types of sensor, like eyeball sensor, or it may be inclination type of sensor, like driver inclination sensor, it can be used. See, again there is a front object radar, different types of sensor I am telling, like ultrasonic sensor it can be used. Again there is a IR sensor, that is infrared sensor, it can be used, or it may be a microwave sensor, it can be used. So this sensor it can be used to emergency braking purpose. This sensor it can be used for emergency reducing the speed purpose, right? So this sensor it can be used for the emergency braking, advanced that advanced safety system or the advanced safety vehicle. Now again some sensor it can be used, so again there is a side airbag sensor is there also. Again some sensor it can be used to sense the whether the pedestrian on that road at the night time. What is meant by pedestrian? पादचारी किंवा पदचारी म्हणतो आपण, म्हणजे एखादा व्यक्ती त्या रोडवरती आहे का at the night time. So somewhat distance it can be maintained, and automatically if the pedestrian sensed by that sensor, automatically the speed of the vehicle it should be reduces, okay? Speed of vehicle it can be reduces, even though a driver or even though driver it is running that car on 100 km/h, automatically the speed goes decreasing, right? No, so it is depends upon that. Suppose the distance between two vehicles, again there is a front object detector radar type of sensor. So if the distance between two vehicle it is very nearer, at that situation that sensor it will be detect the distance, or it will be read the distance. Automatically the speed is also high, but speed is high, then also it should be reduces, because there is a wheel speed sensor is there. So again some different types of sensor here. Vehicle to vehicle distance control, बघा लास्ट वरती आहे इथं different types of sensor. Vehicle to vehicle distance control, ASCO actuator, right? So that means इथं आहे बघा front type of actuator. What will be detect if the vehicle to vehicle distance is less, automatically the command goes to the central computer. Central computer it will also display to the peripheral device, जे काय peripheral device असेल त्या याच्यामध्ये. So it will display to the peripheral device. Also it will gives command to that actuator. Actuator ला command to reduce the speed. reduce the speed, that means actuator automatically reduce the speed of wheel, right? So this is safety point of view. Again, here it is rear object laser radar type of sensor. Rear object, this is front object, this one is the rear object, that means nearer to that. एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट त्याच्या जवळ आलेला असेल, on the side on the this side, or it may be on, it may be back side, right? Back side ला असेल किंवा त्याच्या any side, opposite side, or right hand side or left hand side. So it will also sense, and some display it can be provided, or it will be display in front of that driver. Again, it will also gives command to that of actuator in the safety point of view. Okay, so this is one of the advanced safety vehicle which is manufactured by the Nissan. Okay, so this is totally related to safety point of view, and there are number of sensor it can be used regarding safety. So number of sensor, distance sensor is there, velocity sensor is there, somewhat the speed, it may be that car speed goes 150, then also automatically that speed should be reduces to its normal range, depends upon track also, right? No, depends upon track, the speed of that vehicle also reduces. Okay, or we can call it as a lane. If the that means rough lane, or it may be rough track is there, if the rough track is there, at that situation it will also detect some sensor, it can be used to detect that lane. If the lane it can be detected rough, then automatically the speed of the car it should be reduces. Okay, so this is related to one example, that is advanced safety vehicle. So having a multiple sensor, multiple actuator, some of the warning signal part of the advanced safety vehicle, right? Advanced safety vehicle. Again, all other safety point of view, that means again car door monitoring is also that means included in that. Okay, so this is available in the basic car, or it may be normal car, that means this is available in the advanced car. Okay, here it is not shown more, but we are shown here some little, like speed depend upon speed, depend upon distance, depends upon rear object, as well as depends upon that lane. Some types of sensor and actuator it can be used. Okay, some types of sensor and actuator it can be used. See here it is automatic brake actuator is there. That means, so if the distance between two vehicle it can be very less, or it may be it is nearer to these two vehicle, at that situation automatic brake it can be applied. Okay, automatic brake it can be applied, that means not applying driver but applied by actuator. Okay, right? So this is related to sensor fundamental, how it will be work, and we have discussed one block diagram regarding sensor fundamental and its characteristics. So depends upon that block diagram, we have discussed regarding two example. Okay, there are multiple example we can tell, but we have discussed regarding only two example, like car door monitoring system and one of the advanced safety vehicle. Okay, advanced safety vehicle. All of you getting? Yes, give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? So this is basic related to sensor. In the next lecture we will discuss regarding sensor classification. Okay, second point of this unit, we have covered this we have covered this first one point, that is sensor and some of the signal obtained from that sensor. And the next lecture we will discuss regarding classification of sensor. There are different types of sensor. We will classify that. We will discuss some example of that sensor also in the next lecture. Okay. So in this way, we will conclude this today's lecture and we will stop here. Thank you. Any doubt? Anyone? Give me reply immediately. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Stay joined. I want to take attendance.